Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Kayla, Crafty Pen Pal Mama. So this video is a product share for or with Globleland. I will have their website linked in the description box, but they have so many great dies and stamps, and I believe they have other craft items as well. I chose dies for this participation. And I wanted to share with you what I picked out. So, as I mentioned, I will have the homepage linked in the description, and you can also place an order by using my links or browsing the website. And then also, I have a 10% off coupon code for you guys to use to get a 10% discount on your order, and it will be in the description box. So, let's start out. So here is the first one. And I will try to go in and add photos as well. So this first set it is a little gnome Valentine set. You can make several different scenes with this. You got the truck, and then there's like little decorations. You got the wheels, layering pieces, envelopes, flowers and leaves. You've got different kinds of gnomes here, braided ones. Let's see. That hat has hearts and then polka dot stripes, plain, a little mouth and face, and then you've also got the letters that spell love. Some little wings. So I'm going to pop in a picture right over here to show you guys what this looks like, the sample. So you get all three sets in this one set. And to give a little bit of an idea on size, this truck measures right at, I think, 3.5. Yeah, right at 3.5 inches. So that is the first set. I cannot wait to play with these dies. They are adorable. Okay, and then this is the second one. They all come packaged and in one of these pink and blue Globleland labels. So again, I will add a photo up here for you guys to see. And this creates a little 3D backpack. So you can see here, it gives you your score marks where you fold and all your tabs. You can create pockets. It comes with a small bow. You've got handles. Let's see, and this makes your little, like a flap. A small pocket here. I think that is the straps. So yeah, I cannot wait to play with these. I love cute little 3D projects. Let's see. I'm not sure if I can give an exact measurement. But the front part here, so you won't count the folds. So you will, right here on the front, it is about 1 7/8 of an inch wide. And then from the bottom to the top of the pocket is 2.5 inches. So you will have a flap, you know, that goes over the top here. So it's going to make a little cute little backpack. And then the next one I chose, this is a candy cart. This is so adorable. And I actually want to say that I have ordered something similar before from a different company, and none of the pieces matched up. None of the pieces fit to actually create this. And I can tell right off the bat that this is going to fit to a T, perfect. So you've got, this is for your windows. You'll cut this 4 times. And then you got your wheels, candy, your roof pieces, layering, and some little candy embellishments. And again, I'll insert a photo so you guys can see what it looks like. And I will be doing a couple of tutorials putting some of these together. I'm not sure which ones yet, but I will be back for that. So be sure to watch out for that video. The next one I chose is this. Now, I've been wanting a shaker popsicle die, and I came across this one. So you see here, you have your two pieces and your stick to make your shaker, your popsicle. But it's a seasonal popsicle. I love it. So, seasonal, okay, there's like a shell and a mermaid. You know, you can decorate it that way with shells. Let's see, Halloween, these are a spider and a ghost. So there's a snowflake, and I think that's eyelashes, maybe for the unicorn. And then you have honeycomb, a clover, a bow, and then you just have regular icing. And then you also have this, which can cut your shaker bits. So this is like regular sprinkles, little round ones, stars, hearts, clovers, and then flowers. So this is going to be so fun to play with. I really love that it has all these extra embellishments for different holidays. So fun. I think that's like a little bear, like holly berry type thing. Oh, it's going to be so fun to play with. And then last but not least, was that? Yeah, 1, 2. Sorry. 1, 2. Okay, yeah, 4. That's 4. All right. Thought I miscounted something. So I did go ahead and open this one and put it in my own envelope. It came in one of these, just like the other ones. But I wanted to go ahead and take the pieces apart and get a look at it. So I did go ahead and take it apart. I have these envelopes. They actually go into a book with a snap closure. So I'm going to put a picture up here for you guys to see while I take these pieces out and sort of explain. There are a lot of pieces to this one, but it's a 3D project, and it is so fun. So, you can see here, there are, like I said, a lot of pieces. You got tabs and pockets. So that's a small pocket for the side, and this is like a layering piece for the drawer. So, if you've not seen it yet, I realize it's a little 3D drawer set. And this is your little drawer box. So it gives you all your scores, your tabs, and even a notch there for the front of your box. And then this is, like I said, a layering piece. If you can see, we'll go there. And then, let's see, I think this might be the back. Oh. So yeah, there are several different parts to this one, and the picture they show, if you can see, is not, of an actual project. It's like a 3D computer type image. So I'm hoping to figure this out and do a tutorial on this one. I cannot wait to play with it. So yeah, that is it for this video. Like I mentioned, the links will be in the description box for you guys, as well as a coupon code to get 10% off of your order. And that is it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed, and I will catch you on the next one. Bye-bye.